My dear friends, good morning. Just I am telling you about that new presentation I will provide you regarding the training utilized in the industry and as well as in family and house in society. This is the best presentation how you can achieve your goal, so that you should decide this is the way to goal to guide goal that should be specific and measurable and achievable and relevant and time bound. First of all, your goal should be specific, clear cut. You should understand, and that can be count and measurable, because it will be measurable. Then track progress and determine when they are achieved. And achievable goal should not be realistic. Goal should be realistic and attainable and considering available resources and constraint. Relevant goal must again with the border of business objective and be relevant to the implies role. Time bound, the goal should be clear and specific time to achievement of the goal. That should be clear to the implies. Align goal with the organizational objective. Company objective, a company's objective, department objective and role clarity. All three segments should be clearly defined, and individual should see and follow the guidelines. Then after the company vision, you should understand on the basis of vision you can achieve the departmental goal and the role clarity. Role clarity makes your goals are pertinent to implies job description and responsibility. Role and responsibility should be clear. Collaborative goal setting, innovative, involve all the employee, TEI, that's called training, total employee involvement, and feedback and input and mutual agreement. While the goal set and they are measurable, and that should be counted in a quarterly or monthly or weekly. That should be measurable, and that should be a progress report should be measured and checked by the others, so that your goals which has been set can be achieved by the achiever. Providing resources and support, training and development, tools and technology, and mentorship. Three things are available to increase the goals to achieving, so that a training should be imparted and tool should be given, and mentorship, guidance and guidance should be given by the their orator and creator, so that the goal should be achieved. Regular monitoring and feedback, that should be regularly checked, which has been that should be constructive, and celebrate milestone. While the achievement has been done, then the award and motivation should be given to the employees, so the employees can gain and maybe in positive mode, and the result will be more positive and time bound achievement. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and like. Also, I will again give you more informative videos and training session which will be beneficial for you in future. Thank you.